Welcome to Genesis Budget, your privacy-first money command center. Budgets, spending, goals, debt payoff, savings, and investments, all in one place. Getting started takes less than a minute. Click Start Trial to create your account, or press Try Demo to explore with sample data first. Once you sign in, this is your dashboard, the Today view. At a glance, you can see your financial health score, how much money is still available, bills due soon, and the goals you are tracking. The Quick Actions bar at the top takes you anywhere in a single click. Everything starts with a budget. Open the Money menu and choose Budgets to see every monthly plan. Each budget holds your income, bills, debts, and goals. When a new month starts, create a new budget with the New Budget button. It only takes a moment. Logging spending is simple. Open the spending page, make sure the right budget is selected, then record a payment against any bill, debt, or goal. Genesis Budget updates your remaining balance instantly, so you always know exactly where you stand. Finally, set savings goals to give your money a mission. Add a target amount and a date, fund it a little each month, and watch the progress bars fill up. That is all it takes to get started. Sign up free at genesisbudget.com and take control of your money today.